Low power mode, one of the most important features that is responsible for saving our battery. However, we notice that 80% is a very high threshold when it turns off. We can customize this and adjust it as it suits us. To do that, we will open the Shortcuts application on our phone. When the Shortcut application is opened, we will select the automation option from the bottom menu. When the page opens, tap on the plus symbol in the upper right corner or the new automation button if you don't have any option active. When the list of options opens, we need to find the battery level option and tap on it. A slider will appear where we can choose the exact percentage we want. Also, in the options listed below, we can decide whether we want the action when it is calculated by the exact percentage, when it exceeds, or when it falls below the specified percentage. We will leave the equals option selected. Also, the option we will choose is run immediately, after which we can confirm everything by tapping the next button located in the upper right corner of the screen. In the next window, we will select the new blank automation option. A new window will open in which we will select the add action option. In the next step, we will type low power mode in the search box and select the option set low power mode. All that is needed is to tap on the keyword on so that it changes to off. And finally, we will confirm everything by tapping on the done button located in the upper right corner of the screen. This is all. Now low power mode will turn off automatically at the battery percentage we want. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.